So today is what? It's FOMC day. Fed cut rates that will not be cut, right? Here we are. It's what? Yeah, at 9 p.m. my time. Right now it's 16:20, so in 5 hours, 3 hours. I don't think it's gonna be cut, like nobody's expecting the cut, but if they cut, it's gonna be a nice run for the upside. But right now we've been, oh wow, what was that? What is this? We left a gap here, even on the daily, hourly, everything. We left a gap here, and we are slowly crawling to the upside. Slowly crawling to the upside. Like this is a grind. Then break through, then go. Slowly, 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 slowly. Okay, that was a mess, right? But overall, also volume is a bit on the higher side, right? At least on MNQ. I wonder how it looks on ES because MNQ is in bigger volatility, always in bigger size. Was that like 22? So it's 5.5 years ago, right? ETR stays normal, but mostly we just chop. And today we see what? All-time highs. So maybe come back to this resistance previously, support resistance, maybe, which also was, you could say, here, like here, like it played a role somewhere also. But what I've seen so far is that you can draw a level anywhere you want, and that will still be a level that plays some kind of role in everything. Well, this level obviously played a much bigger role than any other usual level, right? But if you put like here, you can say, oh, it touched that bounce of that. Then I'm closing my eyes and I'm wiggling. Okay, so here level, it's level, almost level. I mean, anywhere, especially if you take a look at 100 tick chart, look, anywhere. Um, yeah, level, level. I mean, you can say whatever you want, but this level thing is just a myth to my eyes. Just a better guidance for your own trading, but on the other hand, it just like everything can be a level. That's a level, but that would be if here also a level. That would be a level. That would be a level. That was a level. I mean, it's just wow. To the tick to the pivot. Okay, that says something, right? You opened at the pivot below, dropped straight to my level, to the tick, went upstairs almost to that level, tick to the tick, and we drifted down to take liquidity from the VWAP. and drifted up, same level, bounce back, come here to the tick to this pivot. I mean, bro. So today we have a weird opening range. I mean, it's what? It's a huge Globex range. It is 400 points. Excuse me, 200 points. 200 points on Globex. That is not usual. I want to see yes. Yes, on the today what's the 46. Okay, it's a good volume. Not the best, but good volume. And let's see. Yes, on the daily, by the way. We left some gaps here. I don't know if we do have to leave them open. They do not look good, but this gap was actually filled, you know. So, open here, went there, filled the gap, and now we don't have any gaps. Everything is filled on ES. So let's see. If we take a look at also 2.5 years, so the volume right now, okay, let's pick the highs. It's like compensating for these spikes, and it's on the lower side, right? Well, it definitely looks weaker, but the okay, why is here and here 50, but here it's 59. 50 and here 50. Okay. So it's weird to see that this is just overall the volume on this, maybe because on micros volume is getting bigger. What could we see here? Okay, 2 minutes till the open. We still have time. I have too many levels obviously here because I've been marking the chart in this consolidation chart a lot. So we have lots of levels which are not all in play, or the range was quite that was a bigger range than now. 77. Okay, now it's big. So just we take too many levels at the same day, you know. Here, look, like only 2 levels, you know. So that's why maybe these levels are there. This one's also in a little. Okay. So I'm trading on this one and on this one and obviously on this one with this. Some, let's say, not to make a mistake. 17 seconds, boys. We are going to open the markets. Let's see. Let's dive in. Let's see if we can break to the downside or to the upside. I'm placing my bets to the downside. Yeah, good, nice open 2 trades. Break of this structure. Perfect opening trades. I hope we had slippage, but I'm not looking at PNL. Okay. Perfect. Perfecto. And you see, straight away we chop. There's no direction. We chop a lot, right? We chop like hell. Which is obviously not sexy indeed. Look at the chop. Up and down, up and down. This is the level now, maybe for the break to 950s, but kind of. For now, a bit concerned because like it's narrowing the range. Wait, do I have something on this to Wednesday? So no, I don't have anything on news in particular, but what I see here is Chong Chong. I mean, what I see here is not what I like. Not yet, not yet. I will feel when it's the right time for it.
Order placed. Order filled.
Double top, double bottom. What the we will freeze that. We will freeze that and come back to take my target out. Okay. Jeez Louise. Thank you. That's that was a bit tense moment. Okay, so we now have this area 950, also a bounce area. ATR is nice. I like the flush. I like the consolidation. That's why I entered here. I didn't expect another consolidation below that consolidation, but well, it's all good. So are we? Oh boy. Oh boy. I mean, this is not what you would like to see. I'm telling you. This is not what you would like to see for my. I mean, bro, it's yeah, okay. On 5 minutes, it looks hmm, not sexy indeed, and we might be coming back up. I mean, don't want to break that, but I will leave it off. Um, wait, okay, like what? Okay, the pivot has been touched. Let's mark how much. Oh, so it's not that bad. I was expecting like worse. It just looks on this chart that it's a huge range, but overall, will it like just drift and drift and drift and drift? Okay, we need to pull back, you know, obviously, we need to pull back this whole stretch. I just don't think that's even valid for me to enter below there. Okay. Now, yeah.
Order placed.
Yeah, we got it. Is it not too much for a risk for me? I mean, I have to make sure. 70. So no, it's we have 3 contracts with the slippage and shit like that. We have 3 contracts. I'm not exceeding 250. Okay. Yeah. So right now, I just wouldn't be willing to go for longs. It just doesn't look really right. It's okay. That's very tight ATR to be fair with you.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hmm. I'm not yet in that trade. Okay, we took that loss. Is it a reversal pattern for break to the top?
Order placed. Order cancel. Order cancel. Order placed. Order placed. Order placed. Order
Is
cancel.
getting into some kind of consolidation, right? Which is
Order placed. Order filled. Order filled.
nice.
Order placed. Order cancel. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, out of this pullback, I'm just scalping for longs. How is this looking, huh? It's looking
Order placed.
pretty shitty. That's a huge range, no? Okay. Can we continue? I will have to mark my risk after that, because from what I see is that I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, well, yesterday there's been times when I would have been stopped out. Okay, it's like it looks long, but I don't like this area. Just don't want to take that trade right now. Plus, it's just chopping around with staircase. I need some kind of like nice, and here pull speed, pullback or consolidation, then some. I mean that was a perfect setup. This double bottom, don't take double bottoms. This was not double bottom, this was inside, so that's okay, but that was my mistake. I took that double bottom, right? Now we are just chopping around. Well, I must have my setup. I just don't think that is plausible not to have that. This range would not be taken out, but like from what I see, yeah, obviously today is a huge, like, we are trading inside. I mean, bruh, this maybe you wanna short that thing. No, you just well, the entry, where my stop loss would be. I would put my entry. This is a pivot, would it be a nice place to squeeze a short here? Well, maybe. What risk again? This maybe, but it's not my setup. It's other setup, other boys' setup. It's not mine. So I'm backing off a little bit. Let's see what happens. I would love to trade that setup. Plus, I like if that breaks to this side, or even to this side. then I'm very confident with the stop loss, like middle of this range where we are right now, then it would be a perfect implications for a stop. And we just like again see like it's a weird game. Weird boom boom boom. Nice, nice, nice. Boom boom pow. Like it's a bit different still. Like yesterday I played on I traded on demo. I didn't have this fear or something in my back of the mind. I was more careless. I earned a lot, but like today it's just somehow a little bit of different story. You know, it's feels like everything counts, every trade counts. I don't want to take any unconsidered trades, and just I want to. I even don't want to place my like order here, which I would actually do if I would be trading on demo, and that would be a loss already. Yeah. So, well, right now I don't see anything good on this market. It's just too much. Nothing. Plus the spreads and the moves, like it's weird. Like market is waiting for something. Does it really wait on this? Like there's no news on the calendar. Uh, why are we chopping like that? Like what is this? This is the open. I understand now. Why what are we waiting for here with these spreads? Look like what ones? Only ones and twos on Dome. By the way, could I create a linked window? Dome. Oops, sorry. No, it's like what are we here doing? Hmm. Yeah, we grew up some balls to have a liquidity, but still, that's a weird thing
Order
to
placed.
have.
Order placed. Order cancelled.
Hmm. Hmm. I would bet for longs, but I mean, still, what is going on? What is going on? What I don't know. Why I'm I'm disliking this. Okay, we don't need to see this so much. I mean, I mean, I haven't seen such open for a long time, but, but, we still probably going to go up in such ladder, but now it's not like this. It's jumping all over the place. You know, the price is jumping, just skipping trade, skipping. Yeah, it's thin market. I don't like to trade in thin markets. They are not predictable. Like anybody can come in and wick. I would rather. By the way, we're coming to the open, right? Open is right here. 995. Yeah, which is yeah, exactly here. So we're coming to this area. I would like to have it moved. And yeah, I would take a long here, but damn, can I? I don't know. I know I can take it. I would take it on demo probably with these, but right now, right now, okay. Can you show me some love with this spread thing? I will be triggered into this trade. I could even enter with one right there. Um, yeah, I didn't enter. No, we are not in, but we will be. And
Order cancelled. Order placed. Order filled.
okay, so that was just a mess. No,
Order cancelled.
From
Order
making it better, I made it worse. Cool. I cannot even take take profit from this piece of shit. Okay, let's see what happens. Up to right there. Okay. Disable stop loss. Okay, stop loss, please.
Order placed.
And take profit, please.
Order placed.
Thank you. This is not that hard, right? That was a good, like, third break. Probably I should have taken this one. Oh well, we didn't. It's easy, like easy target. Inside yesterday's value, this one, it has to be really, really, really super easy trade or super easy target. Obviously, 22,000 is a bit of a resistance, but like we've been there so many times that I'm not seeing it as a threat. I want just that my previous high would be hit. So, okay, we entered obviously average D. Yeah, instead of making, oh my gosh. Trading error, trading error, So managing two trades in one simultaneous thing. Do I want to? No, not yet, not yet. We just wait for it. Let's go below 22,000 maybe. What do you think? If that would have been demo, I would have taken that trade. Clearly. Now we got some more liquidity. Would I be still in it? Oh yeah, this is not what I want to see. I'm telling you. This is definitely not what I want to see. That's such a slow grind to the upside all time. We'll have some liquidity in 9 minutes, right? In 9 minutes. Now that's a pivot. Again, pivot. Let's see what happens on it. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, that's like I would like to see more drop to 22,000, please. To 22,000. Like when we go up, we go down. Okay, and below. Okay, so that's we don't know what's gonna happen, but this grind, uh, it's hard to enter. It just it's nothing sexy here. Okay, I can participate if that like bounce on like some kind of drop. I could participate on that, but now it's just a grind, grind, grind. I mean, I, what the hell is that? What the hell is that? Um, mm, let's be patient a little bit, okay? I don't want to ruin that trade because it's kind of looking good right now. I love the target, but I feel like it might want to come back. It's also a 15-minute mid-range, which is good that we came from another side, you know, and then
Order filled.
I might take some heat on this one.
Order filled.
I have taken some heat on it, a lot of heat, not that much as I wanted. If that would be demo, I would be okay with my risk, no problemo. But since now I'm not in the demo and it's taking out these highs, but it's not going higher, it's just frustrating, frustrating, and I lost all my profits today.
Order filled.
Yep. Wow. Okay.
Order placed.
I'm glad I had my stop loss in place, you know, bro.
Order cancelled.
Was that like nothing? Okay. So yeah, the second I enter with too many things,
Order placed.
I'm expecting another one.
Order cancelled.
Okay, maybe I should actually just be a little bit more patient, okay? That was a bad decision to add. I added on the top, as always. Somehow I like the tops. That one trade takes out all the winners. This was clear like in 30 ticks.
Order filled. Order filled.
That That was just such a slow grind to the upside. And you don't want to say that to me, no? You don't want to tell me this. You don't want to tell me this. Go up where you wanted to go at first, okay? Fuck. Overtraded, over leveraged, oversized. Too much heat on it. Okay, bro. If that pulls me out of this deep hole, it came back just to touch that. And to tell me what? To tell me that you're going long. Oh, I don't have any more juice in it. And yeah, that's my. Fuck, it's so frustrating. What we have here? 63 dot. Oh, fuck. My daily loss limit is here. Somehow I just feel that pain in my butthole. Why it's so slow when it has to be quick? You wanna take out that order? You wanna take out that order? You wanna take that upper order? I know it. I know it. You wanna take that out? Oh fuck me backwards. I cannot watch. For the love of God. We have 30 seconds for that to happen. If that happens in 30 seconds,
Order cancelled.
you know what's gonna happen. 20. Fuck, I'm daily loss limit right there. Bruh, get out of there. Get out of there. It's heavy. It's getting heavy. It's not good. It's getting heavy. I would place my order here if I would be him. Oh man, I'm playing on such a thin air. Yeah, fuck. Okay. I have to watch the panel. It's more for this. Fuck me backwards.
Order placed. Order filled.
You bloody Nora. You don't do that to me.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay.
Order placed. Order filled. Order placed.
How am I still in this trade? I don't know.
Order cancelled.
I had to cancel that order. What? I cannot.
Order cancelled.
Fuck it.
Order filled. Order placed.
Okay, I'm taking out. It's not worth it. Oh, bro. Okay, minus 250. Okay, okay, I can still hold it on. Okay. Now this thing just whack. This thing is whack. I was up 300, now I'm down 300, so that's not ideal. Definitely, that's not ideal.
Order filled.
If we did what I think we did,
Order filled. Order filled.
then we are good to go. Okay, back on track. Not ideal,
Order
but
filled.
I think we are Gucci.
Order filled.
Yeah, that this little consolidation, some movement, you know, some action. It's nice. Okay, I think I'm still down, to be fair with you, because of spreads.
Order filled. Order filled. Order cancelled.
I didn't like that. It just actually I saw this like it's just a bit danger zone. Okay, we are not trading this breakout. We could be trading just a touch of that breakout. Oh wow. Now we're building some speed to the upside or to the downside. I don't know. But I don't know what I know. What I know is that we go. If we go with the force. Thank you. Okay, so we're back on track, definitely. Back in some type of momentum. Back in, like, that was danger. I mean, I don't know why I stayed in the trade. I entered the trade like 4 minutes before for the breakout. Like 5 minutes before breakout, you shouldn't be trading, to be fair with you, you know. Still wanna get again long. From what I see, I don't know how, but I feel like I want to get long in some kind of, well, not here, not still here. What the 5 minute chart looks like. Okay, we touched that, we moving that. Definitely. That's a very little risk right now. It's actually.
Order filled.
Okay. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting moving to the upside. It's still, yeah, but on the other hand, no. Okay, okay. That's weird spot to stop. Now get out of here, boy.
Order filled.
Okay, fuck. And again, back to break even.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order placed.
Aren't we in consolidation again? Which would cause me, but
Order filled.
that's, it has to be a break. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. It just, it doesn't look like, why would we be stopping here, bro? I mean, I would definitely see you go there.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh man. Okay, okay. Now it's nice. Nice, nice. Okay. I need to see PNL to be fair with you. I just then know the pulse of my actions. And if I can put one more risk in or not. Now we stopped again. I don't want to like maybe this break, but it's still like here if it's that slow again, so you know, I don't know. Obviously it's not that slow and it's going to the moon.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit. I said to the moon, bro. Mm, mm, oh boy, just this price action. There's no beauty in it.
Order filled.
I'm in, oh man, fuck. I'm in a bit of a pain, to be fair with you. I'm in a bit of a pain. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Order filled.
It's a head and shoulders, right? So I'm moving my stop
Order
here.
canceled. Order placed. Order canceled.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. Oh, fuck.
Order filled.
Okay, so I'm down now 300. I was, oh man, this swings. These swings, these
Order filled.
price swings.
Order canceled. Order placed. Order canceled.
I'm expecting this to be a still a big push to the upside, but there's no one pushing the market. That's the problem a little bit. And again, I'm on 300 on 2 contracts. What I see here. Hold it, boy. Hold it, boy. Patience never killed anyone. You cannot add. That's the problem. Or the beauty of it.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Okay, that's fair enough. I mean, I was back and forth, back and forth. Oh, bro. By the way, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I missed that trade. And we're going to break even on this one. When we will pop through these, we will not stop till my target, I'm telling you. I would even add, what is this, a good place to add? I think if we measure these, I would add in 29s, okay? Which is right here. I would add here one. If it's not happening, then it's not happening. Okay, okay, not a lot left. 50s, pullback from 50s. What type of pullback? To 30s? Now we go. We just fucking go, man. 50s is a good target, obviously, in that scenario. But I would like more, to squeeze more. I would like to make my... Okay, I'm not doing this. I'm just making sure that I have at least some profits from my setup. Because this is a last push, last resort to the previous highs. Obviously, if we hit those, but no, it's my target. Probably one would be maybe even here, or this one actually, 21,000. But if we manage to go there, it's obviously a win for me. What would be my like extra 100? With the risk of not having 50 extra 100 for 50 for 100, right? We need some pullback, bro. We didn't have a proper pullback for this measured move, if we can say that, right? So I would enter one lot at 30s, which would take me to, what is this risk? 65 risk. So Uh, yeah, okay, let's do that. Then we can definitely move this one. That will be. Then we will have a. I suppose what? 45. A break-even trade, right? That would be a break-even trade. I said I want to concentrate on making these. I like that wick.
Order placed.
Can I take one shot at all this? I mean,
Order placed.
it just yuck. 1, 2, 3.
Order placed.
I would like that to run, you know? If I would be in a demo, I would take that for actually this pivot. This pivot would be my target. And my risk will be here, okay? This will be my risk. Or it seems that it wants to tag that, but will it tag with force and vengeance?
Order canceled.
Or we will just keep on.
Order placed.
Now it looks good. It looks good.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yep, it looks good. Did we touch our target? No, but there's another wave coming up. Another wave coming up, I said. Another wave is coming up. Okay, I'm taking out this one. I'm moving it to half of that. Where is half? 30. 30. So we'll come back to 30. Yeah, if we come actually here, I probably would take my order out on 40. I just don't think that's worth holding this period. I would just love to see second wave. There was one fast wave. I want to see a second wave coming up because we have the pivot, we have those orders, we have everything ready upstairs. Okay, we have everything ready upstairs. Maybe you want to do this, to be honest. I can take out 1, 2. Okay. I will take 2 on my target. Um, and then we'll have a conversation. So this thing is going where? Like nowhere? I don't think we. If we break, yeah, it's just 39. Good. Oh, oh. Good, good. Love that. Love that actually price action to this pivot. Nice trading, nice everything. PNL is 830, which brings me back just to the point where I was yesterday because of contract sizes, slippage, and everything else. I was right here yesterday, and look how much work I had to do to win it back instead of just, you know, like ups and downs, ups and downs. This fluctuates a lot. Okay, I don't want to push the needle anymore, but this is what I would expect a bit more. It's nice. My setup worked. Even my second target worked. which actually, like, very nice setup, no risk at all. Some pullbacks, but I love this. I love this day. See, that's nice that it didn't touch there. I wouldn't have taken a short by any means, actually. Or I was from here. Yeah, when it pulled back, I was all, yeah, then that was a good setup. But now, ooh, look at this pullback, bro. Okay, nice. Nice. So, just to be clear, okay, how much, what, it's, how much did I spend on commissions? I bet it will be like 200 plus. Don't you think so? Okay, 650 risk, still good. Close PNL, PNL. Oh, my PNL is just break even for yesterday. So commissions 140. Abra, abracadabra. Wow, just where was I in deep trouble? Buy at the tick. Yeah, you don't want to short this market, right? Sell here. Buy here. No problem. What was that? What? But oh, sell here. Okay, problem. Mm, okay, this one. Look, this one. That was just like one tick away. One tick away. So I would have this out of the box. This I didn't trust. That took what? Is that so? Yeah, that's like I'm wrong right here, right? Bye bye. Sell to. And again, yet again. Look, if I was, yeah, what, because I added, I got stopped out. If I would not have added, I would be still in trade. Buy, sell, like this was huge. If not this, if not this, move 60 ticks instead of my 20 ticks. Imagine 3 times. I made up 3 times. Yeah, here, nothing. Like good entry, stopped out, maybe. Yeah, nice. Okay, so I started with a few good trades on the flush for break. Then we had this one. It was also not that risky. So, to be fair with you, this bro. And what about targets? 30 definitely, 30 definitely, 30 definitely. Uh, yeah, nothing. This one, 30, 30 definitely. This one, 30 definitely. This one, just nothing, as we can see. Nothing means nothing. This, oh, I added two. So you see, it would be good. This one added, and then two down. So if I would be like nothing, this definitely two. This sell. Why? Okay, I closed it right there. Then I'm right there for this, and if I so this would not have even touched nor 20 nor nothing. Okay, good. This and this for 30, obviously. This for okay, but no, it came back. Came 20, 30, definitely not no risk. Could add one more. 30 definitely, 30 definitely. Like I lost anyways. So, and what we got? 18, 18, 15, 17. So it's like two ATRs for profit, two ATRs for stop. Again, let's check every depth. Good. Yeah, profits. Well, as you can see, a loss in any case, so it could be much lower loss. By one went down, didn't. Okay, so a loss. I would like to see yesterday what happened. Like, is it the same thing? Is it high? Yeah, it's like two ATRs ish. By this, okay, this one was a monster. This, okay, let's see this one. 31, 32, 30. Okay, 30 is it was yes. So maybe we wanna do this for tomorrow. I can make some of that maybe.
Order filled.
Okay, what?
Order cancelled.
How? Okay, sorry. So this was not even close to any of my targets.
Order placed.
But if this is a change in the winds,
Order placed.
we can do any of those sides.
Order placed.
I would be willing
Order
to go
placed.
long, much more. But by the way, 14. So it's In this case, you can have actually this and this. Because as you can see, if you're wrong, you're wrong. If you're right, you're right.
Stop filled.
Let's see how it plays out. As I said, if you are right, you are right. If you are wrong, you are wrong. Let's see how it plays out, because from what I saw, there's no point on holding such huge stop loss, because it will go, if it goes to 30, it will go to 40. You know what I mean? Now I have indefinite of those things, which is great. It's still like this target? Yeah, still that one. Okay. Oh, come on, you know we want it. You want to go up and above the previous high.
Order placed. Order placed.
Bye bye. Go. Just go, dude. Do it. Just go. I mean, there's lots of stops right there. I got caught up in consolidation, which is fine unless we have a fake breakout, but you know, it's heavy to the upside. From what I see, it's more than, it's like a line in the sand. It has to be broken. I would enter even with one more, but let's chill for now.
Order cancel.
Yeah,
Order
perfect
cancel.
trade, perfect execution, perfect target, perfect everything. Good. Nice. A bit too much risk, 1-to-1. Okay. So what's my PNL for today? 800 on that, which is actually 600 because of those things. Okay. Bye bye.